Do you know you can make money from Moniepoint without becoming a POS agent? You don't need qualification, you don't need a shop. With just your phone and your Moniepoint app, you can be earning commission every day. Guess what? There's no limit to this. Even as a civil servant, as a business owner, as a student, you doing it with whatever you are already doing. So you don't need to resign or quit your job for you to do. Just like a side hustle, you get paid commission from it. Now, how do you do this? By opening an account and activating it for a customer. Now, Moniepoint is already a name. Like anywhere you go, every shop around the globe, like it's a household name already, and you don't need to stress yourself telling people about the company or start explaining to people, oh, this is Moniepoint. They already know. In a place, up to 80% or 95% of Nigeria are already using Moniepoint. That's the beautiful part of this. You assign a card to anybody using Moniepoint app and you activate it for them. Now, if you want me to do a video, open an account and assign a card to a customer, go to my comment section, type I'm ready so I can do a video about that. The more active you are, the more you earn every day. You can as well do as much as 20, 30 cards in a day and you get paid commission. Let's say you are doing a card for 1,000 naira, Moniepoint is giving you 800 naira. You see, times it by 30, that's a lot of money. You can't be wasting this kind of opportunity. If you're ready to build and if you're ready to make this money, I'm going to be linking my WhatsApp number on this description. Send me a message and let's build this together. Or you can as well go to any Moniepoint office closer to you. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. See you again in my next video.